lovely people. This is Maricel and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to cook pinakbet. Pinakbet is a popular vegetable dish from the Philippines that can be served every day or if there's any gatherings. Pinakbet have a variety kinds. That it can be Ilocano, Tagalog pinakbet, or even Visayan pinakbet. And you can also, the main dish is the vegetable, of course, and plus the meat. Depending on what kind of meat you wanted to use, you can use pork, you can use chicken, and you can use shrimp as well. But in the main dish, ang nagdadala ng bida is the shrimp paste. So, and it is a healthy food because it has a different kind of vegetable. You have to use squash, you have to use sitaw, you have to use eggplant, which is talong, you have to use okra. But in today's video, I don't have okra, guys, but you can always, put anything, any kind of vegetable in it. It's depending on what available you have. So if you're new to my channel and you kind of like sort of skincare, any makeup tutorial, or occasionally cooking like today that I'll be sharing to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming video. So let's get started and jump into it. Go cook with me.
Alright guys, here's the main ingredients of our chicken pinakbet. Let's start off with this. This one is eggplant, talong. Here's our green beans, sitaw. Here's the kalabasa, the squash. Here's the ampalaya, bitter melon. Chicken, we're gonna be using tomatoes. Here's the ginger, onion, and garlic. And of course, this is not gonna be complete without the shrimp paste. And here's the shrimp paste. I use like 3 tablespoons of the shrimp paste. And aside from all these main ingredients, we'll be using the nor cubes. This is the chicken nor cubes. We'll be using a little bit amount of soy sauce, black pepper, and kailangan din natin ng water. Alright, let's get it started. Alright guys, so mainit na yung mantika. I'm going to start off with the onion. Let's just saute this for like a minute, and then when it turns out like translucent, it should be ready. By the way, I add a butter on the oil, at least 1 tablespoon. Gusto kong may butter para at least it added more flavor to it. And now I'm adding the garlic. And let's just saute this for another like 30 seconds at least. When you can smell the aroma of the garlic, you should add, we can add the ginger. And I'm adding the ginger now. I just use at least 2 thumbs size of the ginger. You can slice it any size you want. I just slice it with a 1 inch, like a strip size. Now I can smell the combination aroma of ginger and garlic. It smells good. Now we're ready for the tomatoes. I just use 1 medium size of the tomatoes.
So let's just simmer the chicken at least for 5 minutes, and I already add on like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I can put the shrimp paste now. I use like 3 tablespoons of shrimp paste. So I have to dissolve the shrimp paste right now, and then before we cover this, put a lid on and wait just for like 5-6 minutes. I think I have the shrimp paste dissolved evenly now. And let's cover this and wait for 5 minutes before I add on a water. We would like the chicken to get tender, so we're gonna wait. After 5 minutes, we have to wait 20 minutes for to get the meat tender as well. Alright mga loves, 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now, and this is how it looks. By the way, I have the exhaust fan on right now because I mean, you know, shrimp paste will smell. But masarap, diba? So, I know I already sauteed the meat, but we would like to get the meat more tender, so I'll be adding on at least 1 cup of water. I am going to add a little bit of a pepper right now. At least half of a teaspoon. That should be good enough. And depending on your taste, guys, if you think that you need to add some little bit of amount of salt, it's up to you, but I am going to taste this later when if this is almost cooked or done. So now I am going to put back the lid and let's wait at least 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes, so we're gonna be adding on the rest of our vegetable. I'm going to put this bitter melon, the ampalaya. As you could see, I still have liquid in it. Let's see if I still have to, if I need more water. We'll see about that. I hope my pan is big enough for all this vegetable. And now, the eggplant. Have to make sure that your vegetable is all coated with the sauce. I am adding the green beans, sitaw. I think I need a little bit of water in this. So guys, I put soy sauce, right? Like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of the shrimp paste, and 1 cubes of the chicken cubes. I'm going to taste this later if I have to add salt. So, as what I've said, depending on your taste. Pretty much it's coated everything now with the sauce. I will go ahead add on a little bit of oily water. So, naka-medium heat lang tayo. You just have to be careful mixing your vegetable. You don't want it smashed or, you know, look mushy. Especially yung squash, because we add the squash first before the rest of the vegetable. And now we have to simmer this at least, I think, at least 10 minutes. Alright mga loves, it's been like 8 minutes. And this is how it looks now. I think our chicken pinakbet is ready, but let me taste it. I don't think I need to add some salt, and it's perfect. It's yummy. The vegetable is still crunchy and it's not overcooked. And it's very perfect with rice, which is, we Filipinos can't live without rice, aren't we? Alright guys, I'm gonna finish my dinner off the camera. I hope you learned something in this video today. If you have any question, please leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!